Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. We'll be looking at Olympiad problem. Solve xy belongs to positive real numbers. Square root of x plus square root of y is equal to 7 by 2. X to the power of root y plus y to the power of root x equal to 193 by 64. Okay, you have to find x and y values. So here some logic is there. That's why this problem is selected. As you are going to solve this problem, please before starting you pause the video and try it out. And also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. Thank you. So how to solve this problem? So here square root is there. Okay. So you can do the squaring on both sides. Here power the power of x is the square root. So here you have to do in another way. You cannot do squaring on both sides. So here what you will do, let us take root x is equal to a. Root y is equal to b. It gives a square is equal to x, b square is equal to y. So the first equation will become a plus b is equal to 7 by 2 and b is equal to 7 by 2 minus a. B is equal to 7 by 2 minus a. The second equation, so x means here a square whole to the power of b, root y means b, plus y means b square whole to the power of root x means a is equal to 193 by 64. So this is the second equation. So what you'll get in the second equation, a to the power of 2b plus b to the power of 2a is equal to 193 by 64. Now replace b value. So replace b value here, a to the power of 2 into 7 by 2 minus a plus b to the power of, b means here you are having 7 by 2 minus a whole to the power of 2a is equal to 193 by 64. Now how to solve this? So x and y are positive numbers. So here the value of a comma b is greater than or equal to 0. So here if you take a value 1, so you can say by the equation you won't get the value. So a is equal to 1 won't satisfy. If you take a equal to 2, if you take a equal to 2, what will happen? If you take a equal to 2, 2 to the power of 2 into 7 by 2 minus 2 plus 7 by 2 minus 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 193 by 4. By solving this, what will get here? 2 to the power of 7 minus 4 plus here we'll get 3 by 2 whole to the power of 4 should be equal to 193 by 4. So 2 to the power of 3 you'll get 8 here plus here you'll get 81 by 16 is equal to 193 by 64. So here you will get 128 plus 81, 128 plus 81 by 16 is equal to 193 by 64. So these two are not equal. So A is not equal to 2. If we take A is equal to 3. So by trial and error I am doing A equal to 1, A equal to 2 and A equal to 3 I am taking. So if A equal to 3, 3 to the power of 2 into 7 by 2 minus 3 plus 7 by 2 minus 3 to the power of 2 into 3 should be equal to 193 by 64. Here 64. So here what will get 3 to the power of 7 minus 6 plus here 7 minus 6 by 2 whole to the power of 6 is equal to 193 by 64. So what will get here? 3 to the power of 1 plus here 1 by 2 power 6 is equal to 193 by 64. So 3 plus 1 by 64 is equal to 193 by 64. So here you'll get 192 plus 1 by 64 is equal to 193 by 64. LHS and RHS are equal. Therefore, A value is 3. If A value is 3, then B value will be 7 by 2 minus A. 7 by 2 minus A, you will get 7 by 2, 7 minus 6 by 2, you will get 1 by 2. So here A value 1, 3, B value 1 by 2. Now here root x is equal to A and root y is equal to B. So here root x equal to 3, x is equal to 9, root y is equal to 1 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, x comma y is equal to 9 1 by 4. X comma y is equal to 9 1 by 4. Now, if we take a value 1 by 2. So, here you may get a value 1 by 2 also. So, if you take a value 1 by 2, then what is the equation here you are getting? 3 to the power of a value 1 by 2. 1 by 2 to the power of 2 into 7 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 7 by 2 minus 1 by 2 whole to the power of 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 193 by 64. Okay, 1 by 2 to the power of 7 minus 1 plus 7 minus 1 by 2 whole to the power of 1 is equal to 193 by 64. So 1 by 2 whole to the power of 6 plus 6 by 2 is equal to 193 by 64. So here 1 by 64 plus 3 equal to 193 by 64. So here 1 plus 192 by 64 is equal to 193 by 64. Here LHS and RHS are equal. Therefore, A is equal to 1 by 2. If A is 1 by 2, B is 7 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 6 by 2, you are getting 3. So here the values will be reversed. So root x is equal to a, root y is equal to b. So root x is equal to 1 by 2, root y is equal to 3, squaring on both sides. X is equal to 1 by 4, y is equal to 9. Therefore, x comma y is equal to 1 by 4 comma 9. So here we are getting two solutions. One is x comma y is equal to 9 comma 1 by 4 and the other value is 1 by 4 comma 9. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.